Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to download folders from your Google Drive. So in this tutorial I will going to show you a step-by-step tutorial to do that. So let's jump into computer and check it out how we can do that. So friend, first of all we are going to open our Google Chrome browser. So this is my Google Chrome browser, and this is a very new layout of Google Chrome. If you want to update this new layout, I have already created a new video on this. You can watch that video. Okay, so now we are going to open Google Drive. So what we will do, simply search over here Google Drive. So friend, when you search Google Drive, then you will see this option. You simply click on this sign in option. In this way, when I click on sign in option, because we have already created my Gmail account and logged in. Here you can see this is my Gmail account which is already logged in, and now we are going to create a new folder. So here we are going to create a new folder like sample files. So friend, here your directory will create, and now you can see this is my directory which is created now, and here we will upload some files and then we will download this file over here. For example, here you can see lots of folders are available, but we want to work in sample files. So first thing first, we are going to upload some files over here, and then after we will download this complete folder in our computer. Okay, so we are going to upload these files. So right now I have some photos, so we are going to select all the photos and drag these photos in my Google Drive directly. So when I drag these photos, then my all photos will upload over here. You can see my all photos going to upload, and here I'm going to show you two methods to download your folders, so that will be very easy and simple steps you can follow by yourself. So now you can see my all the photos uploaded over here. Now we are going to, this is my directory option of my dashboard, so you can do like this. Here you can click on this three dot icon, and here you will get this download option. So by you can download it, right click on this three dot icon and then download. This is first option, and second option, you simply select that folder like this. You can see this folder is selected now, and you can directly click on this download button which is available over here. Here you can see that this button is showing. You select the directory or folder which you want to download, you simply select that one and your folder will download. Okay, and third option, what you will do, simply click on this directory, so you will be into this directory, and here you will see this drop down button which is available over here. So what you will do, simply click on that drop down button, and again you will get this download option. By three ways to you can easily download your folders. So now we are going to click on this download button, and friend, here you will see that this folder is converted into JPG file which is showing over here, so you will get the perfect idea about it. So now you can see that this process is going on to convert this folder into JPG. Now you can see this folder is converted into JPG, and my folder is going to download, and here you are getting this option, my folder is downloaded. Let's see the folder is downloaded or not. So what we will do, simply click on this download button which is available on the top, and then click on this folder option, and here you will see this my zip file is ready. We are going to cut this file and we are going to paste on the desktop. So here you will see that my desktop, this file is available, and here you can simply extract this file over here. So you can see that my sample file is showing. So friend, by this way you can easily download your folders from Google Drive, and also you can upload and create new folder on Google Drive, and then you can easily download by this way. If you learn something new, then please click on like button and also comment what things you like into this video, so that will motivate me to make more videos like this. And if you like this video, then please share it with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.